Everyone dreams of achieving financial freedom, that sense of stability, independence, and confidence in your future. But the question is, where do you start? Building financial success doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey made of consistent and smart choices. Let's break it down into simple, practical steps that will help you start your financial journey and stay on track for lasting success. The first step is to understand your current financial situation. Take a clear look at your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Write them down or use a budgeting app. When you know exactly where your money is coming from and where it's going, you take control instead of guessing. It's like turning on the lights in a dark room. Everything suddenly makes sense. Next, check your credit health. Your credit score plays a huge role in your financial life. It affects your ability to rent a home, buy a car, or get a loan. A low score can limit your options, while a good score earns trust and better deals. Get your free credit report once a year, review it carefully, and fix any errors you find. Think of it as maintaining your financial reputation. Now, set clear and realistic financial goals. Without goals, it's easy to lose direction. Decide what you want: an emergency fund, becoming debt-free, or starting to invest. Break goals into short-term and long-term ones. Short-term goals keep you motivated. Long-term goals keep you focused. Be specific. Instead of saying save money, say save $2,000 in 6 months. Once your goals are set, create a budget that works for you. Follow the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. A budget isn't a restriction. It's your financial roadmap. It helps you make smart spending choices, avoid overspending, and move steadily toward financial freedom. After that, review your spending habits. Small daily costs add up fast. Coffee runs, takeout, or unused subscriptions can drain your wallet. Identify and cut unnecessary spending. Redirect that money toward savings, debt repayment, or investing. These small changes have a big long-term impact. Next, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Job loss, medical bills, or car repairs can appear anytime. Start with $500, then aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund is your safety shield against financial stress and debt traps. Then, focus on paying off high-interest debt. Interest can eat your money faster than you think. Use the snowball method: pay off the smallest debts first, or the avalanche method, where you tackle the highest interest ones first. Both methods work if you stay consistent. Every payment brings you closer to financial freedom. Once debt is under control, start saving and investing. The earlier you begin, the better. Time and consistency build wealth. Even saving $25 a week matters. Learn about index funds, retirement accounts, or mutual funds. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start and stay disciplined. Protect what you build. Get health, life, or vehicle insurance. Create a simple will and name your beneficiaries. Protecting your assets ensures your loved ones stay secure. True financial success isn't just about growing money. It's about safeguarding it. Finally, keep learning and stay consistent. Track your progress, celebrate small wins, and continue improving your money habits. Financial success is not about speed. It's about persistence. Keep educating yourself and adapting along the way. Start where you are, use what you have, and take the first step today. With steady effort, you'll build habits that last a lifetime and create the financial freedom you deserve.